Hi, Steve here from CSP Medical. Today, another quick unboxing. Going to show you the Stealth Coat sponges. I'll tell you a little bit about them and tell you what's included in the kit. So this is a coated sponge. As you can see, or maybe not in this video, it's a light green, like a mint green. So it's a special proprietary medical grade coating that's put on it. It's fluid resistant, cleanable. It's coated over a standard foam core interior. It's designed for minimal shadowing with low attenuation. And these are radiolucent, which means they can be x-rayed without artifacts. So they are actually flared angles to offer significantly reduced artifacts during viewing. So that's a proprietary design by Technoaide, a company in the US that manufactures these. So now I'll talk to you a little bit about the actual kit. There's 4 wedges that are included in this kit. This one is the YSWA, which is a 45-degree spinal body wedge. So it measures 13.5 by 10 by 7 inches. And that gives you kind of the angles there. So that is the first one. The second one is the YSWA, which is right here. And this particular wedge is a 21-degree wedge measuring 14.25 inches by 12.25 by 4.5. So that is a great wedge there. That is number 2. And the next one is the YSWA. And that is a 15-degree wedge. It's actually a set. You can see there's 2 of them. So it's 10 by 12.5 by 3 inches. So a set of wedges there. And last but not least is the YSWF, which is a 27-degree wedge. It measures 15.5 by 12.75 by 6. So overall, this is a great example of a wedge set that is very popular. And if you want to get your own quote, feel free to reach out to us at sales@cspmedical.com, and we'd be happy to provide a quote for you. Also, for more product details, reach out to cspmedical.com and take a look on our website. Thank you.